mo gadto. Answer mo na. Asa na na. Tapos ang higuan dito.
Come on, Philippines.
Bang na kanto. Bunga. Set.
Crash from not in my nail car. Oh, I'm gonna do this. Whatever. I'm gonna eat my snack.
Muha. Asa mo muha?
Bro, I'm gonna eat my snack. Bro, I'm gonna eat my snack.
Ina, ugaw imong kamot.
Bro, I'm gonna eat my snack. I'm gonna wait to this stupid thingy here. Wait, guys. Okay, I'm gonna eat my. Here's my snacks, guys. Because I am Philippines, so I can talk in.
Pilipino.
Shut up. So I can say English. So because I think you are in America or something else. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna eat my snack. You want
Saan
some?
palangga ni mama nga bata nga wala. Mahuglubot.
Look, there's a marshmallow on
Mahuglubot
here,
nga bata.
guys.
Wala pa ka. Way ligo-ligo. Way kuwang-kuwan. Insa maron. Insa. Insa nga bata ni.
There's the marshmallow.
Oh?
It's very squishy, guys.
Insa yung pangalan nga bata ni. Ano? Insa man ang pangalan nga bata ni.
Kaiko!
Kilala mo.
Kaiko is named Give Me, guys. So you want to whatever. Yeah, it's my juice.
Ano?
Mom, it's me drink. I'm done finish my juice. Already finished.